Hello there and welcome to another video from Change Tips and Tools, and it's me, the sophisticated sounding Brummie from Birmingham, England. Yep, it's me, Phil again, and I'm here today to tell you about my next live stream, which will be on the 12th of July, this coming Saturday, and I'm really excited about it because I've had great feedback on the previous live streams that I did. I did have some technical difficulties, I must admit, with the streaming software, but we got through it, and in those live streams I talked you through the concepts of how to build a project plan fully resourced from scratch in MS Project, and I even talked about the things you need to do before you even start building a project plan, or in any planning software for that matter. Now, on Saturday, in this third live stream on Change Tips and Tools, I want to introduce you to the concepts of an integrated program plan, integrated resource pool, and resource leveling across multiple projects. In those instances where you've only got a limited number of resources that are working across multiple projects, how do you make sure that those projects are achievable in a realistic time frame with the resources that you have? And we're going to do all of this, including earned value analysis and some customized reporting, dashboard reporting across those multiple projects without the need of a PPM tool or MS Project Professional or Project Online. All you will need, in fact, is MS Project 2016 Standard or later to be able to follow along and do this. Now, the target audience is for junior project managers, PMO analysts or PMO professionals who wish to build on their technical skills for those everyday tasks and activities that you'll need to perform. But it's also for seasoned project managers and change professionals who wish to brush up on their skills. And maybe you will even learn some new skills that could save you hours and hours and hours of work going down the line. Now, let me move on to the premise that we will cover and the approach this Saturday. This is a problem that you're going to face regularly as a project manager or as a PMO. Now, if you imagine Jane, our imaginary project manager, where we built that project in the previous live stream to build a new computer, and Jane actually is leading against 4 project plans to build 4 new computers, and Jane has this problem statement that she's given us. She needs to be able to use the same projects across all 4 projects, and she needs a realistic forecast complete date based on the resources that have been allocated to her program. So she'll be managing this as a program. Now, Jane needs to be able to manage all 4 projects in one place, because she'll want to be able to track the milestones that are important to her stakeholders. She'll want to be able to do earned value analysis as well across those projects, but also she'll want to be able to track those lower level deliverables that she's accountable for as a project manager. And again, touching on earned value analysis, we'll need to be able to track actual versus budget against the program. But also stakeholders will want to see how the costs by deliverable, for example. Now, when you take the fact that you've got 4 individual project plans that you're trying to manage, this can be quite difficult, and you'll probably utilize Excel and other ways to get around trying to aggregate all this information together. But you don't need to do that. What we're going to do is we are going to take these 4 project files, these separate MS Project files, and together we'll take them and we're going to link them to an integrated program plan. In other words, we're going to use Microsoft Project's inbuilt master schedule functionality. And then once we've done that, we're going to link all those 5 project files to another project file, which will be our central resource pool. So that is what we're going to cover this Saturday. Integrated program plan using master schedule functionality and the central resource pool. I hope you'll join me and we'll build this together, building upon the previous live streams where we built that individual program plan from scratch, and we'll use that as our template to proceed further into this next phase of multiple project management. I hope you found this informative. If so, please remember to click that like, subscribe, and smash that notifications button for future content. And as always, I wish you an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And remember, take care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you this Saturday for our next live stream. Bye bye now.